Hey, Zombies fans, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is simple but brutal. You can only save one song from Zombies 4. The rest, gone forever. Are you ready for this? All right, let the battle of the bangers begin. Which song do you prefer? Don't Mess With Us or The Place to Be? Pick one.
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going to the light side, light side. It's better on the
break. Quick one. Which new group do you like more? Daywalkers or vampires?
With the Daywalkers, we got the power of the vampires. We come out underneath the moon, never get tired of...
All right, time's up. Hit like if you're Team Daywalker and subscribe if you're rolling with Team Vampire. Which do you prefer? Someday, Zombies 4 or Someday, Zombies 1?
Someday, this could be autumn. Gonna be someday.
Show the world or Legends in the Making?
Got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it. We won't stop till we're standing on top. Gonna make...
Tough one. Like for Show the World. Sub if you're Team Legends. Whose voice steals the spotlight? Eliza or Willa?
I wanted to excel. I'm happy to announce my scientific quest is breaking new ground. I expected climb to the top with the best of the bestest. Right on
track. Drop your pick in the comments. This one's tough. Which song do you prefer? Alien Invasion or Come On Out?
You broke our trust, so things got serious.
Pick one. Would you rather stay in Seabrook forever or travel the universe with the aliens? Fired Up or My Year?
We can climb, nothing keeps us down. Got that fire. My year! Watch it come to...
Bring the hype or own the moment? Pick one. Dream Come True or Ain't No Doubt About It? Finish the lyrics.
What if I go my own way? I'm afraid of consequences from taking my chances. I know it's not easy.
Whoa, you nailed it.
I'm afraid of consequences from taking my...
Which song do you prefer? We Own the Night or Bam?
To them, it's only up to us. I'm the alpha, I'm the lead. Turn. Oh man, I'm a man, but you can't do it like
that. Save one. Stand or Possible?
I'm gonna stand strong. Nothing but odds
Tap the correct eyes of Zed. Got it? How many tries did you need? Drop your answer in the comments. Be honest, detectives. Which will you save? I'm finally me or come on out?
I'm finally me, I'm gonna shout it out. I know that we just met, but you know me, don't know it all.
All right, can you rate the dance?
You're all around us, you broke our trust, so things got serious.
Got your answer? Drop it in the comments and let's see what the crowd thinks. Nothing but love or dream come true.
I know that we just met, but you know me, don't know it all.
What fills your playlist? Love or dreams? Pick one Nova or Addison.
To write a new history, let go of our hate and embrace the spark. The future's for the taking. We're all legends.
Can you spot the 3 hidden differences between these two pictures? Yes, there are 3 subtle changes. Look closely. Save one. Ain't no doubt about it or exceptional Zed.
Happily till forever.
When it comes to trust, exceptional Zed. I'm a family and friends.
Only one can stay. We got this or more than a mystery.
We're back here on the scene and everyone's together. Yeah, it's hard feeling different when your heart is built like a.
Save your favorite. The new kid in town or I'm finally me.
Let somebody know when I'm excited. Gotta spit it out cause I can't hide it. I'm stronger now more than ever before.
How about this?
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it. You gotta.
Nice catch, my friend. It's Show the World Boom.
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it. You gotta.
Finish the lyrics.
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it. You gotta be brave and unafraid to stand up and trust it. Leading with your truest heart.
That's it. Show the world.
When you got a feeling, don't let nobody crush it. You gotta.
Which one do you love more? Show the world or don't mess with us?
Show the world what you believe can leave a footprint on my heart. It's going down. Hey, come on.
Would you rather have Nova's style or Addison's voice? Would you rather save Bam or Someday if one had to go? Which couple's song hits harder, Victor and Nova or Zed and Addison?
You and me side by side, out in the broad day.
Like if you're vibing with Victor and Nova, comment Zedison forever. If it's Zed and Addison all the way, save one. Call to the Wild or I'm Winning.
Your head so big you can't see, you got no shot to beat me.
Would you rather throw a party with Bonzo or prank with Bucky? Exceptional Zed or Flesh and Bone?
Just gotta forget the doubts and get up out of my head.
This is our declaration.
Zed versus Werewolves Power Anthem. Which one survives? Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your score in the comments section below and let us know what you want us to do for the next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more challenges like this. Bye for now.